back to Coast to Vapes. Today we have the unboxing of the Reveiw Pro Mech 2 kit. I got this in the Arctic camo. This is somewhat new to Reveiw, and I've never had a Reveiw mech mod, but so it's gonna be my first. I got this, and I also have the Elite mod to unbox as well. So here is the back of it. It shows all of the specs on it and what is inside. It comes with the Mech mod, the carrying case, spare spring, Elite RDA, parallel fuse claptons, and replacement O-rings, all that good stuff. And here are the specifications if you want to pause it right here. These are the specifications of the RDA and the build deck. Side of it like that, top of it, Reveiw Tricky Life, and all your warnings and stuff right there. So let's see what's inside. Comes in a nice case too. So that's the little sleeve. Here's the box, the Reveiw logo. And the Reveiw carrying case, which is awesome. This is the only mod case that comes this way that I know of, which is really cool. You can use it for storing your mod, your juice, your pretty much anything. So let's get it open. So right here you have your manual, all your warranty cards, different languages. And here you have your spring, gold-plated spring, your O-rings, your Clapton coils that come with it, and a little flathead screwdriver right there. And here is the RDA that it comes with. It has its brand logo right there, indented into it. It's really well made though. It's got two airflow on each side. I don't know if I can get that open right now. I'll put that to the side though. Nothing in the inside. And without further ado, the actual mech mod has a nice Reveiw logo. That is in a like a, I forgot what it was called, but it's like really well made, especially at the top. You can just feel it. And this is like a rubber plastic right here. And then it's got the carbon fiber push button. It's really smooth right here. So let's open it up right here. Here is a triple pin, which is new to any mech mod that I've seen. So you get direct contact either way. So if you to the side, kind of push it to the side or whatever, it'll always have contact, which is really cool. It's got like the copper. It's all copper too, which is really nice. And these sleeves just pop off that I heard. So there it is. It's like a rubber plastic, but it's a nice quality. So they're just plates like that. I'm not sure if you can buy these separately and just change them out. It'd be cool if you could, but I'm not sure if you can do that yet. And there is the actual Mech mod. The inside is the copper, so it's all copper, and then it's got this soft rubber and plastic. But it feels really nice on the hand. So I'm gonna use this for a little while, check it out, and then come back to you guys with the actual review and thoughts of it. Let's see what it looks like all put together. So there we go, the V-God Mech mod. I'll be back in just a second. All right, and we're back with the review of the Pro Mech 2 in the Arctic camo. So I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and I really gotta say, I love this device. It is a really nice, well-built, awesome device. I mean, you can put it in your pocket. It's lightweight. It's not like the Pro Mech, the other regular Pro Mech. I think this is the first mod, first gen. This one is lightweight, feels really well built, and I love the RDA on the top that it comes with. It doesn't leak too much. It still leaks, but it's not as bad as some of the other RDAs, especially the one it comes with. So you could definitely build and have a really nice setup on this. The coils I have on here right now are the pre-made coils by Reveiw, or by Coil Master. It's called the Reveiw. It comes with 3 sets of coils. And right now I have the triple Claptons in it right now. So I'll give you a little vape on it and tell you the rest of the review that I think of it. So yeah, it definitely puts out some pretty good clouds. I really like it. The flavor's on it. It's pretty good. It doesn't pop in your mouth. It's not that kind of vape. The only problem is some people don't like that you can't put it on your own drip tip, which, you know, it's not really a problem for me. I don't mind it because I just put on another RDA if I want my own drip tip or whatever. But it's definitely a good deal for the money. It's well built. It's got a nice feel. It has like a plastic, it's like a hard plastic rubber, but it feels really nice in the hands. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or whatever. So I think right now on V-God's website, they have the 25% off for October. So definitely go check it out. And that is my review of the V-God Pro Mech 2 kit in the Arctic camo. Thanks for watching.